Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your Keurig after descaling. First, make sure your Keurig brewer is powered on. Then, completely empty the water reservoir. It's crucial to remove any K-cup pods that might be in the brewer. This initial preparation ensures the machine is ready for the cleansing process, setting the stage for a fresh start and optimal performance. Now, place a large mug on the drip tray. Initiate a cleansing brew cycle by selecting the largest cup size, but without inserting a K-cup pod. You'll want to repeat this water-only brewing process at least 3 to 4 times. This step is vital for flushing out any residual descaling solution from the internal components, ensuring a clean system. Next, fill the water reservoir completely with fresh, filtered water. It's important to perform at least 12 more cleansing brews, using a large mug for each cycle. Make sure to discard the water after every single brew. This extensive rinsing ensures that all traces of the descaling solution are thoroughly removed, preventing any lingering taste or odor. Congratulations! Your Keurig brewer is now fully reset and ready for brewing your favorite beverages. You can confidently insert a K-cup pod and enjoy a perfect cup. Remember, regular descaling and proper resetting are key to maintaining your machine's optimal performance and extending its lifespan, ensuring delicious drinks for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.